and Ellie had a relaxing day earlier, however we didn't show you our beach villa thing we got, so I'm going to show you now. I thought you'd be able to see the room number, but you can, just about. It's just on there. It's room number 128. It's a beachfront jacuzzi villa.
Welcome. We booked a beach villa.
Oh yeah,
Villa.
it was an O, and then they said we had an O beach villa, which was somewhere on the map. Oh, where is the map? Right. So first of all, I'll give you the room tour. This is the island map. So the O beach villa we were supposed to be in was supposed to be around here, this bit here, all along here, and we requested 300s over here without a obstruction view to the Indian Ocean, or one of the best views. And they said basically, well, I'll tell you in a minute, they just gave us a free upgrade to a jacuzzi beach villa, which is a few £100 more, isn't it?
It's quite a bit more.
So,
but yeah, all the rooms have recently, or they're being renovated. So
yeah.
ta-da.
Oh, also the hotel normally has about 800 guests.
Yeah.
In the hotel because of the pandemic.
They only opened on November 1st.
Yeah, and they're running at 20% capacity a month.
Yeah.
So there's only 160 guests in the hotel at the moment.
So it's like we've got our own island. Honestly, I've seen about 5 people today. That is about it.
Yeah, it's mental.
Yeah, and it's the second largest island in the Maldives.
Yeah, so let's show them. Obviously, you can see the bed.
Yeah, massive. It's so comfortable.
And the best thing is,
we've got mosquito nets, which is very handy for moi.
Yeah, you've been bitten, didn't you? Show them where you've been bitten.
I'm bitten already.
Oh,
Can't really see that one. That one's not too bad actually.
Been a couple of hours. There's USB plugs on the sides of the bed, or especially left hand side
and
of the bed.
Little lights.
Oh, I didn't realise reading lights. So you've got a mirror comes in standard with your room, a hairdryer. Where'd you get that?
No, it's in this actually.
You got that from somewhere. Oh, they give you a torch here because at night time obviously there's no light in the room.
No, there's light in the room, but it's just outside.
Yeah,
of the room.
there's UK plug sockets in the room. So anyone travelling here from in the UK, you do not need travel adapters. So I'll show you a UK plug. So you've got one here, and then obviously the kettle. That's a 3-pin UK plug. Anyone else coming from other European countries would need to buy a travel adapter for the rooms, but for us it's really handy.
Yeah. We've got tea and coffee making facilities. We've got a kettle. We've got some. We don't really understand how what we get included with the minibar and stuff like that.
No.
So we'll find out tomorrow and we'll let you know.
Because we're an all-inclusive, but we've got a minibar fridge,
So
and
we've got
I'll tell you in a sec.
machine with all your little pods.
We don't know if that's included yet, do we?
You get water.
Yeah.
And then what's really good about this hotel is they don't have any plastic bottles. So if you want water, they'll just give it to you from the glass bottle. But if you did want to carry a bottle around, they give you these little you've got to pay $6 for them.
Yeah, to keep, obviously.
Keep them, so.
Yeah, and then our mini fridge. They're giving us a list saying anything that's on the list here you can pay, but I'm not sure because everything's in dollars, so there's loads of different.
We have no idea how.
I mean, I think you can order wines and all that kind of stuff. But show you the minibar fridge. We'll find out more because this is obviously our first day today. So I'm pretty sure the soft drinks are free, like the Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Red Bull. I think you have to pay for. Carling.
Lion, yeah.
I'm not sure.
Lion's their local beer.
Yeah, and then them soft drinks. So we're not too sure on that at the moment.
After Sun did not come with the fridge.
No.
That's just that.
And we have obviously a little seating area here, which is awesome.
Handy. Then we have mirror with wardrobe and safe.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we've already unpacked. Safe's actually really good size. You can fit laptop and stuff in
Yeah,
there.
we've got all that stuff in there already, pretty much.
Hairdryer. Get a hairdryer.
Comes in the room.
It's not the best of hairdryers, but
Well, it still dries. Your hair's still pretty dry.
Yeah, it's still a little bit damp underneath.
So it's not too bad. And the best bit is outdoors. let's go through to the world of Narnia. Here we go. This is the outdoor bathroom area. So we have the lovely throne. This you sit on. You have a stack where your towels are. Obviously we've showered in that already. And you have your... Look how bright red my face is. Oh my god. I've only been out in the sun 2 hours today.
Alright, it is strong.
Yeah. We'll tell you a bit more about that in a minute. Obviously his and her sink. Got all our toiletries. Then you've got a nice outdoor shower area.
This is where you wash.
Yeah.
Wash your hair.
Yeah.
You've got a
We've got a clothesline here.
Which is always really handy because you end up using the bath. It's like...
Yeah. I didn't realise there's a light under here as well. Look, and because it's... Let me just put our light on. It's a bit better.
Get like
You
an
got,
outdoor day bed.
yeah, outdoor day bed you can lay on if you didn't want to go out in the sun.
And then we've got a
Jacuzzi.
which is what we didn't have with the villa that we originally booked. So we wouldn't have had any of this. We would have literally just had the outdoor bathroom.
Yeah, it would have
So-
stopped at the shower, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we are gonna use this, aren't we?
Yeah, too right we are. One night, not tonight, because we need an early night, because we haven't slept in 24 hours.